Hi, I'm Jessica and welcome to my tutorial on using the iPad app Notability. Notability is a note-taking app that is available for $2.99 in the App Store. The icon for it is here on the third row. It's blue with a pencil. If we open it up, this is the page that you'll see whenever you open your app. Yours for the beginning may not have folders sorted, but you can make each folder for whatever categories of notes that you might have. You can change their colors and you can change the pictures that they have. If you want to add a new one, then you just hit the plus sign there at the top and you can make however many folders that you want to store your notes into. If you want to create a new note, you want to go to the folder that you want it to be stored in, and then up in the right hand corner, hit the blue icon with the pencil, and you will get a blank screen that is titled with the date that you are making this note. It will default to that. If you want to change that, you just have to type up there, and you can type whatever you want. It will only let you name a name once, and so you can't have two or more notes with the same title on them. So you can see that there are different options that we can do to take notes. The first one is just text. So the T is highlighted, so I can tap anywhere on my screen and my keyboard will come up. I can type on here and the font is about that size for default. But you can see you can hit the Baskerville here is my name of my font. So I can hit that and I have lots of options for fonts that I can use. I also have size of my font here next. I can change my color by tapping that, and I have 16 different colors that I can use. I can also make my font bold, italics, or underlined. The A, B, and C over here are where you can store your favorite fonts that you might have. So once you have a favorite one set, then I would just touch and hold and you set it here. So if I want to change the purple A to black, then now that's one of my favorite fonts. So if you have several that you want to switch between, that's something that you can use. Over here on the right, you see the bullets, and so you can change to have numbering, bullets, or other types of indentions as well. Back on the left, of course, you have tab functions here that I can tab over and tab back. So you can type as much as you want on here. If you don't want to type and you want to handwrite, you'll have to use the next one over, which is the pencil. Right now I have blue highlighted, but if I want to change the color, I just tap it again, and I again have those same 16 colors, 2 types of pencil lines that I can make, and 12 different pencil sizes. So we can tap off of that, and I can again write on my screen whatever I would like to write. It's hard to write on the iPad even with a stylus and have it be small. So what you can do with Notability is you can touch and hold anywhere and you will get a zoom box, and this box in the bottom will come up. And here you can write the same size, so I can write hello here as I was same height that I was writing it above, but now it appears smaller on the actual note. You have your same functions here. You can tab over with this button. You can enter to the next line with the enter button. What's cool about this is as you're writing, so I'll write a sentence, my name. As soon as I get into this green area, it's going to scroll over for me automatically. So that makes it really quick and easy to write notes. Lastly, when it comes to writing with the pencil, if you do choose to write with the bigger version that I have here, the big hello, you can pull up in the bottom right hand corner, you can pull up a screen guard so that if I touch down on the screen guard on the bottom, it's not writing. If your wrist does bother the screen whenever you're writing. The next thing you can do is highlight. It's the third one over. And so you can see I have it highlighted in purple. So I can change that by hitting it again. I have the same 16 colors. And I can highlight the words so they won't actually write over top. So you can highlight anything that you might have. So the next thing is the eraser. The really neat thing about the eraser on Notability is that you don't have to erase every little piece of every little line. You just have to tap the string once and it will go away. So I'm only going to tap the O and the whole O goes away. I can type the L, the E, the H, but only that one line goes away. So it's really a lot easier than having to scribble erase as you have to do a lot of times. That's about how long I want to make this video. So there'll be another video on how to use some more of the functions in Notability.